Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's episode 5 of our Road to $10,000 series. Today, I was able to do exactly what you saw in the title of the video. I was able to secure another 2 funded accounts from Apex this morning, taking one trade. Now, I did take a loser today, and I want to talk about that a little bit first because I'm kind of embarrassed that I'm able to pass accounts in one trade, but I'm still taking losses on my live. So let's talk about everything today. We'll talk about the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful, and let's get into it. Let's go. So first things first, I want to show you guys the losses that I took today. Took an initial short off the first presented fair value gap, and as you can see, I was smart money reversal today. So I got completely obliterated. 33-point stop loss took me out of this trade. This was a $200 loss, and did the worst job at holding this second position. Took another stab short. Let's get this all marked up. Took another stab short here and got stopped out again. Another $200 loss right here. Honestly, I really just think that today I wasn't able to have an accurate stop loss with the amount of sizing that I was using. I started today using 5 instead of just starting with the 3, and I keep on telling myself that I need to just be able to start with 3 contracts, because had I taken this second trade here and had it over the smart money reversal high, which would be this high right here, I am so safe in this trade, and I can continue to hold the conviction of the plan idea that I have for the day, which is to take shorts to the 9 o'clock low, right? Didn't want to see anything else get delivered to, even though we had hella expansion after my move. My goal is to come into the market every day, pick my move for the day, and get out. Eventually, I do think down the line I would be day trading my model, but when we get there, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, we were trying to learn how to make money consistently, okay? So 2 early entries here and just a lot of time distortion. Looking back, the way that we opened, just like I was talking about yesterday when I was doing my review, had I had waited till about 10 o'clock today, all of this is time distortion. Now, I'm anticipating that we're going to move lower, but with this type of efficiency as we go into this 15-minute fair value gap, I think I just have to recognize that as not good trading behavior and not jump the gun on this first presented fair value gap short and get absolutely obliterated. So had I had about 15 minutes more of patience, I definitely think I keep my account a little bit safer and I avoid taking a $400 loss, which I took today. So 2 trades, $400 loss on the live account. Nothing more to say about that. And then let's just talk about the glory right here. The one trade pass, right? So I've been able to do this with Apex. They do not have a max win day for their evals. You can really just trade them all the way up and trade them in one day. So I've been using 2 minis for that. So I took about a 2 mini short all the way down. It was about 95 points, which is more than enough when you're using 2 minis. And super easy kill shot trade, right? Same idea that I was approaching in my first 2 trades. It's just, it wasn't on my live account. It was on my evals, right? Which is giving me more resources to trade in the live account. So either way, I still feel like I won today. Maybe I didn't take home a monetary win, but we have more allocation. That's what we're here for, right? So the key tell here was just everything that was getting respected in the market. Like, we were already so bearish with how we sold off of overnight, and then us continuing to respect this SIBI was just giving me the read today. So we have this inverse fair value gap. Let me get my live together real quick. Hold on. Bang, orange, right? And it's the same look that we're getting day in and day out to show you guys that the LeBron and the LaMelo model is such a repeatable model. It's everything that you guys need and everything that you should probably be looking for as someone who's using the 1-minute trader to keep you on track with directional bias, right? So interlapping first presented fair value gap and inverse fair value gap. Look at how well we're respecting this. You could see here that we mohawk, but it was only to do an internal sweep. We actually had an SMT here, so ES printed a lower high here and then continued to sell off, where NQ purged that high and then started to reverse. There wasn't an area for you to enter, but if you guys could see in real time what this looked like on my charts of the reversal, you guys probably would have been convinced after taking out this internal high and printing an SMT to take a short too. So I didn't wait for an entry pity array. Everything was kind of already set up. I looked at this as a soup, took the short, had my stop here for about $500, and then rode that thing all the way down and got stopped out. So I think I got out like a little bit right here, and was able to take some profits today. So super clean trade. Again, I've got all this stuff in my Discord every single morning, so if you're curious on how it happens or when it happens or XYZ, or if you even want to ask a question, I definitely incentivize you guys to join this. It's free of charge, so I'm not charging people to ask me questions or to just participate in the Discord. I just do this kind of not for fun, but as an educative resource for people who are looking to get into trading. So yeah, $300 loss on the fundeds today, and then 2 more funded accounts, and a super easy day all in all. All right, well, that's really all I got. Just trying to keep it short and sweet. This is what I took today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be activating all 3 of my Apex accounts later today, and we're just going to have a bloodbath for the rest of the week. Let's get it. Peace.